Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn on and use the voice typing on your iPhone 17. So, firstly we need to go into the settings of our iPhone like that, and now we have to scroll down to General. Here we have to scroll down till we see the keyboard over here. Now we have to scroll all the way down again till we see the dictation option here. Here you have to make it green like this and enable dictation like this. Here if you tap dictation languages, we can change set the language of our dictation. We can enable the auto punctuation too. And now if you enter notes, for example, new note, and tap this microphone icon in the bottom right corner, we can say, "Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to use our brand new iPhone 17. Now, as you can see, we're done. That's how to turn on and use voice typing in your iPhone 17. Goodbye!